Using iSupport rules for service level agreements. Service level agreements provide timeframes and associated actions for response and resolution of issues to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. iSupport uses time-based rules to monitor and track incident timeframes. Rules are based on an if-then construct. In other words, if this is true for this time frame, then do this action. A simple example of a time-based rule is, if an incident status is open and priority is emergency for 1 hour, then notify the support manager. You can create time-based rules for all work item types except customer profiles. A rule will only run against an action item if it is included in a rule group. Rule groups are applied to incidents through customers, companies, category combinations, and templates. A default rule group will be used if none of these apply. This way, you can tailor rules to users and areas that need a specific service level. In this example, we'll add a rule with a short time frame to a mission-critical rule group and then associate the rule group with a server category. When the category is selected for an incident and the incident is saved, the category-based rule group is applied. All rules in the rule group associated with an incident are evaluated when the incident is saved. iSupport starts timers for any time-based rules. The conditions of a time-based rule define what triggers a timer to start, as well as how long the timer can run before defined actions are executed. The time-based rule agent runs every minute to monitor whether a time frame has been reached. It continually checks a rule's conditions against a work item and records the dates and times of the configured time frames. You can use the clock icon to display the exact date and time each timer will be considered exceeded and the actions that will be taken. In addition to notification actions, escalation actions such as incrementing priority or reassignment can be executed. With this example rule, if an open high priority incident is not closed within 8 hours, the priority will change from high to emergency. You can specify hours of operation for a rule group or a rule if support actions are required outside of normal business hours. You can use rules for the levels of service, time limits for resolutions, and deadline schedules that are applicable to your company. That's it for the basics on using iSupport rules for service level agreements. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Also, our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough, so feel free to reach out to them. Customer support is available by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday PST, and 8 to 5 p.m., Saturday and Sunday PST for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.